This is my math project called Swimmers of the World. And here's my sample space. 13 Cartersville swimmers, 9 Woodland swimmers, and 7 Cass swimmers. Here's my chart displaying each, which means that there are 3 Cartersville backstroke, 2 Woodland backstroke, 4 Cass backstroke, 2 Cartersville breaststroke, 0 Woodland breaststroke. You know, you get it. That's kind of the vibe that's going on. That's going to help us later on. There's the totals. So now we're going to look at the problems. What is the probability that a swimmer does backstroke given that they go to Cartersville? What is the probability a Cartersville and Cass swimmer do backstroke? So we're going to go ahead and look at the problems. And you see that it says given, which means we have to use the formula, which is A given B over B, which is going to be, when we look at the chart, 3 swimmers do backstroke from Cartersville, and the total amount of students that are swimming for Cartersville is 13. So we will get 3 over 13, which equals 0.231, but when you change that into percentage, it would be 23.1%. So the probability that a swimmer does backstroke given that they go to Cartersville is 23.1%. Now let's look at the second one. What is the probability a Cartersville and Cass swimmer does backstroke? So because this says and, we're going to multiply. So we're going to go ahead and look at the Cartersville swimmers that do backstroke, which is going to be 3. And because this is and, we're doing the probability out of all the swimmers. So it's going to be 3 over 29 times, and then you look and it says Cass swimmers, so that would be 4 over, and because you've already taken 1 swimmer out of the mix, well, no more swimmer there. It's going to be 4 over 28, which is going to equal 3 over 203, which when you convert to a decimal is going to be 0.015. Oh, let me move that over a little bit. Or 1.5%. So there you see that we multiplied the probability of a Cartersville swimmer doing backstroke and a Cass swimmer doing backstroke. And we got the fraction, then the decimal, and then the percentage so that everyone in the daily world can understand. There you go. Hope you learned a lot.